Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Windows Sandbox on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's super useful if you want to test programs or files safely without risking your main system. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to make sure that Windows Sandbox is available on your version of Windows. It's only available on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions, and also on Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise. If you're using Windows Home, unfortunately, you won't have it by default. All right, now let's enable it. Click the Start button and type Windows Features. You will see an option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and click it. A new window will pop up showing a list of features. Scroll down until you find Windows Sandbox. Check the box next to it and then click OK. Windows will install the necessary files and then prompt you to restart your computer. Make sure you save anything you're working on before restarting. Once your computer boots back up, you're ready to launch Sandbox. Just click Start menu, type Windows Sandbox, and open it. Anything you do inside stays inside. When you close the Sandbox, everything you did gets wiped automatically. No changes affect your real system. It's perfect for testing apps, browsing risky websites, or opening files you're not sure about. If you want to copy a file into Sandbox, just drag and drop inside the window. Remember, so once you close Sandbox, the file and everything inside will be completely deleted, no traces left behind. And that's it. You're now ready to use Windows Sandbox like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.